Coney County in a dove field that is so fire. Me and my dad and son hunted here a few years ago and had a great shoot overall. The perfect backdrop for F-450 Reserve Edition action. And I hope I have your attention by now, whether you're just checking out our videos for the first time or you're a long-time follower. I've told you that December 2023 was going to be iconic, just like this iconic silver diamond behind us. We have 9 custom F-450s. We've already sold 2 of them, so these are getting gone quick, y'all. So hit us up for this one, ready to purchase right now. This is another one of those units that can be pre-purchased now, but not actually picked up until January the 6th of 2024 due to the Ford program that it's in currently. And it's all about the renditions and variations, and this one we've never done before. Let's go. The iconic silver is just that, so iconic. It looks amazing whether you balance it out with chrome, but you know I love to do it just like this, adding some either satin black or a gate black or gloss black for a true hit that is like no other. Also, you can throw a red line on the silver and it looks truly amazing, like my wife's Gen 3 Raptor. But this F-450 is a statement. We ran fuel wheels on this one. You don't see us run fuel wheels nowhere near as often, so we got fuel forged wheels, a premium wheel to fit the vibe of the 450 as far as an integrity and overall confidence level. This one has matte black and milled finish. We're rolling on 37, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapper tire, that hybrid tire. I've said it time and time again of how good it is. Overall performance, both on-road and off-road. A great tire, sticking with it strong, y'all. We got a 2.5-inch Ready Lift coil spring level kit and Fox 2.0 aluminum body shocks. These shocks are a great balance as far as towing and handling overall. We found a way to make it work. We got the ride height sensors and all your scale sensors working properly on this one. Truck is phenomenal all the way around. Iconic silver with all the accents. Because the wheel has matte black finish, we did satin black cap up top. All the texture was removed on that lower portion, which all that was non-premium components. Iconic silver mirror with some nice rim paint there. Smoked out the side marker lens. This portion here was the texture black, and there's a difference between the texture from Ford and our satin black paint. This still looks more premium overall, and it definitely flows right into our wheel design and finish. And then this was a chrome portion, did that iconic silver with satin black on the F-450. You might be asking, real deal, we got a matte wheel, why are you doing satin on your accents? We just know and seen that the satin black paint holds up a lot better over time to the elements than the matte black. So that's what we roll with all the way around. We kept the 6.7 in red because that's really the only way to notate appearance wise. This is a high output, so that's why we rolled with it. This side portion here, removed the texture on that and did a satin black cap with this iconic silver all the way around. It looks great overall. Those door handles were chrome. They went to iconic silver, and that deep lip in the rear on the matte black and milling on the fuel forged wheel, high integrity. The milling ties in so nice with our iconic silver paint. I know you're loving this rear right here. Those drone shots were totally epic too. We did a light smoke on the tail lights and did an iconic silver rim paint all the way around. And you can see when the light's not on, it is totally blacked out, a great smoke appearance, but when the light is on, it still puts out a great amount of light. So it's a 50 state compliant light system with 70% light emittance, and that's what it's important to us to make sure, because we got these trucks going all over the country. We want to make sure that we're legal so our customers have great confidence. Rigid SRQ bumper lights in the back. That's a great feature for backing up or hooking up a trailer at nighttime convenience. Now again, variations, doing the applique in iconic silver and then leaving that brushed aluminum just on your bars upper and lower and inside the platinum area. Hadn't done it before, just wanted to show it to you. Let me know what you think. You typically see us do black on the whole applique with iconic to accent, but just again, another way to showcase our personalizations and customizations for you the individual. Iconic silver all the way around with a satin cap on the step pad there. That looks great to me. And then the same on the Ford emblem. We got a Pace Edwards, which is Lear premium power bed cover. This is the way to roll with it. It looks great. So sleek and low profile, and you got to do a power because it's such a big bed with such a premium truck. You got to roll with the powered option. We've got rigid rock lights on all 4 corners for that nighttime visibility, and of course just a stunt and look good, but it definitely now with the big 12-inch touchscreen 360 camera, it gives you a great benefit while trying to maneuver at nighttime. This is my favorite side shot right here. We are 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 20s. You see us roll with 22s and 24s and 26s and 28s, feeling great on all different tire sizes. We've been throwing 38s on a lot of renditions here lately as well. But kind of our tried and true staple, 37 on a 20. This gives a lot of supplemental sidewall, which means you're going to get the best ride quality. I'm pleased with the balance of the 37 on 20. We probably do most often 37 and 22, and that's still a great proportion to me. 37 on 24 is probably my favorite, honestly, but just the ruggedness and ride quality and stature that this truck presents, this is going to be a can't miss. I know somebody's going to scoop this up in no time. That border perimeter grille running even through the headlights, we did iconic silver. Usually that's a brushed aluminum appearance, and you've got dimples all over the front grille, and of course the blue and chrome grille on the front. Did satin black on those components, did iconic silver and satin inside the headlight. Just a nice contrast and balance. Left the tow hooks chrome, left the bezel around the fog light, that brushed aluminum as well. It just flows so nicely. The truck looks elegant with the satin black and matte black and milled wheels with the iconic silver, 2.5 inch leveled on 37s. This is a beautiful reserve edition. I'm so pleased with it. This is stock number PEC 77316. Our reserve edition options are as follows: 147, 740, 99, 205 starting price. I promise you I'm not numb to that number there or this total number down here. Stuff's getting ridiculous if you ask me, but I know that you see value in what we're doing because we've got great components throughout the entire truck. The convenience of it being ready to roll, a reserve edition that's ready to tackle any job. As far as the pricing I just showed you, there's 10 grand markup on these trucks because of the rarity of them. It's so hard to acquire and find F-450 trucks, much less reserve edition. So whether it's a stock truck here at Akins or a custom one, you're going to pay above sticker, unfortunately, and that's simply because it's like a Babe Ruth rookie card. There's only a certain quantity of those out in the market today, and they bring above what they obviously should be because of the rarity of it, and this truck is the same way. So that's how I wrap my head around the exorbitant price points that these trucks are bringing, because it makes sense, because it's supply and demand. It's the market. It is business, y'all. So don't hate on your boy. Don't hate on the dealership, because if we had an abundance of these like we've had back in the day, I know when I first started here, we had over 35 F-450s on the lot. That's why I was able to slide me one and do a little customizations for you. And that's really what started all the great success we've had with the F-450s. But those trucks back in the day, when we had so many, they sold for sticker. Now, because there's not many out there, we have to do the smart, it's just an intelligent business decision. And as far as the components go, as far as our package, it's just standard typical price points for all of our components: the level kit, the bed cover, the paint, wheels and tires, and more. So the price is substantial, but it is given the value it's bringing. I hope you all see what I'm trying to spit out to you today. This truck is a beautiful one, and it is available to put a deposit down on now. And January 6th, you can pick this bad boy up and roll out in style, Wild Willie style, y'all. I'm Real Deal Neal. Thanks for watching. I've got a few more of these coming to you, some Western Reserve editions with the CM flatbeds and a few other surprises. So stay tuned for more. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Yes!